What's up, everyone? We're taking a break from Road to WrestleMania, and we're going back to something that seems very popular to open right now, NXT. This is my 6th hobby box of this. Bought it by itself, so be nice to get a hot box, but not really expecting it. Of course, that would be a nice surprise. 2 autos guaranteed, so let's get going. Obviously, not too much to talk about. Other than I haven't done a video since Money in the Bank. I know there's some mixed reactions, but given the situation we're all in, the pandemic, I thought it was creative. It's not something I'd want to see during normal times, but these aren't normal times. So I got a kick out of it. Again, I know opinions are split, but again, like I said, if we were in normal times where you could have a crowd and all that, then yeah, I probably wouldn't have liked this either, but it was a good laugh right now. And I see Dana Brooke beat Naomi last night on SmackDown. Sorry, spoiler if you haven't seen it. But she was kind of the MVP of that match, comedy-wise, and I guess she's getting rewarded for it. So good for her. Oh, our first autograph, Nikki Cross. And I do have a sticker of her, but I like this way better. So that's a keeper. Not numbered. Oh, looks like we got a numbered card. Don't know if it's an auto. Oh, and it is a numbered autograph. 7/99 of Keith Lee. Not numbered either, so maybe we do have a hot box. Wouldn't that be nice? And I need Keith Lee, so winning box for me there. Actually, did I say this wasn't numbered? Of course, it's to 99. I looked on the back, said it wasn't numbered, so I'm sure someone had a laugh there. So we are still looking for probably a numbered card. So we're kind of getting down to it. Doesn't seem like this is a hot box, but still solid. Oh, there's our numbered card. There's still a decent amount of packs left, though. Toni Storm, too bad it didn't hit her. Actually, almost won one of those on eBay, but I was at work, and even though I was the high bidder towards the end, I got outbid, and because I was at work, put my phone in my pocket and did not see that I was outbid, unfortunately. Alright, last two packs. So clearly we do not have a hot box. Again, okay. Because I like what I got in this box. Alright, and that's it. So as always, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Keep checking back. Take care.